Hey guys, I'm Alex. I'm here with my mom, Melody Lane,
Hello,
and in we're at the Westgate Resorts in Smoky Mountains in Gatlinburg.
Tennessee.
Yes, words are hard. It's a one-bedroom deluxe. There's a couch there, but
It's
you
a
can't see it right now.
it's a pull-out sofa, queen size.
Yeah,
Small kitchen.
small but nice for the size. You don't need a massive kitchen for that room. Fireplace with a timer.
Yeah, it's just a switch and a timer. It's perfect.
Three person table there. And cabinets closed and open. Dishwasher, tiny stove. That's like a toy stove.
But it gives you like paper towels and
Coffee.
coffee and dish soap and dishwasher soap and laundry soap. But we brought our own laundry soap.
Yeah. Little pitcher.
Oh, you get a blender.
You had a blender in yours too.
I know, but I didn't know this one had a blender too.
Yeah.
Does this one have a toaster?
I don't know. I didn't use it. I didn't really use the kitchen at all.
It has an ice maker, but you have to turn it on when you get there.
Yes. So
It makes ice quickly.
the water itself was pretty good too.
Actually, the tap water was good. I
Yeah.
liked it. The bedroom. King size
size,
bed.
yeah.
Very comfortable mattress and pillows.
You can get a little desk there, so if you want to do some work away from everybody. Nice big TV. And inside the closet is my coat. This coat does not come with the room, but there's also a safe in there. There's my coat. Some extra blankets, it looks like. An iron. Window to the pathway, which is the elevator, and then the snow. We were here on Christmas Day, so there was a lot of snow. And it was gone within a couple days.
Those little bear lamps also have USB and outlets in them. And there's an alarm clock.
Yes. Me trying to stay out of the mirror. In the little toilet room, there's
It's called a water closet.
yeah, but it's toilet room here.
Okay. Nice big shower.
Yeah. Under the sink, you have extra towels and washcloths. And that wonderful rain shower head. Words are not coming to me. There's a hair dryer in the drawer that I did not open. I didn't know that when I was showing the video.
That nice makeup mirror too lights up.
There's a makeup mirror?
Yeah, it's that round mirror that pulls out of the wall. Did you not use the makeup mirror?
No. So that door straight ahead next to the mirror will go to another grand just like this one that we just stepped into. And all of these are lock off, so if you just wanted one of them, you can lock it off. And
Yeah, you can just
neighbors.
rent the one deluxe or rent the one grand that we're in now. Or they're connecting, and then they can also connect with 2 more rooms exactly like these that we're showing you.
And also, if you looked at the behind the sink there was a little bar that you can sit at the counter. You might have to go back. I was going to point it out, but we're talking.
It comes with all of these things: toaster, blender, dishes,
Yeah, we didn't bring all this stuff.
pots and pans.
And there's a lot of space on the counters to keep some groceries if you plan on cooking. Because I mean the cabinets are full of your dishes. And,
Although you could move them
yeah,
because
there's like 4 on a shelf.
And you can see these appliances are bigger.
Yes, these are full-size appliances.
Silverware. Empty drawer.
Yep.
And then other utensils. And those are placemats in that one.
Lots of space there on the counter.
Kind of where we put our groceries.
Remember to turn on the ice maker. But it's nice to know that when you come in, you don't have ice from the people before.
Yeah.
And the washer and dryers is in the kitchen. There's those 3 chairs at the bar. At this table we played games like Monopoly, National Park. Another pull-out sofa.
Queen size.
This this TV pulls away from the wall, and you can turn it towards the kitchen or towards the couch.
Then the balcony.
This is the balcony off of the 2nd floor of Building 7000, overlooking Pigeon Forge, which is really far down. Not really far, but it's over there.
You can see fireworks.
Yeah.
From Dollywood.
Yeah.
And from Pigeon Forge. We saw them on New Year's Eve.
Here's the small closet. To kind of, you could put your luggage in there if you wanted. Another little desk. Nothing in the drawers.
And another door to the balcony.
And in this one, oh yeah, pit stop on the way out. There is rocking chairs.
There's some other chairs there too that you couldn't see.
Yeah, that don't rock, and there's a small table.
And that TV will pull out towards the jacuzzi tub. So you can sit in the tub and watch TV. And it gets hot. Like you can put hot water in and you don't run out of hot water. Because I know in hotels sometimes you might run out of hot water. But I filled it up with hot water. It was nice.
Extra blankets and closet with a safe.
Nice hangers too.
Do you know why I'm walking backwards?
You don't want to be seen in the mirror?
Yeah.
Another water closet.
Toilet room.
And there's extra towels down there and a hairdryer and things.
Same as the other one.
Yeah. Nice big mirror. Nice tall ceilings too.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So if there's any steam, it's up at the top. And you can set your own temperature. This door, I think, is normally locked.
Yeah. And then we're going into the other room right now to show the washer and dryer. But I just want to add, if anyone is interested in staying in one of these, you can email me at beardadventures91@gmail.com.
You can put that in the description.
It's going to be in the description and on the screen. There.
And if they've never been to Gatlinburg, Alex has a lot of videos on Gatlinburg. You could put a playlist at the end of the video.
Yeah. So there's the washer and dryer.
It was really nice. And the people that work at the resort were very nice. And
there's that couch.
When we called for more towels, they brought them right away.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. Bye.